Thank you
very much
for the joining the second time in our Alpha Game. It was in Alpha Game 1, you joined the second for as well too. And thank you very much for being part of this Alpha Game. And I'm so delighted and so honored to give you this trophy as being Alpha.
Thank you very much.
Want to share something?
Yeah, just to thank you for it was a great sharing, a great learning from HR, from digital transformation, and also hopefully we really inspire the people and the organizations to do better, because there is a long way to go, and definitely I hope and hopefully we are inspiring enough for the people to be at least aware about these topics and try to do better, because ultimately it's not only about the company, it's about the people. So we should really take care that the people feel well.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, big hand. So, like I said,